How to enable or disable push notification in the Wise app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to control when Wise sends you alerts, well in this video I'll show you how to enable or disable push notifications inside the Wise app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Wise app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And here, once inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here, once you see the interface like this, you simply have to scroll down and tap on notification. And now here, once inside the notification, you just have to tap on notifications again. And there, once you see the interface like this, you can simply toggle the push notification on and off for the things like transfers, card activity, debit card, account updates. And if you're still not getting alerts, then you can simply go to the phone app settings, and here you can simply find Wise, or you can simply go back to the home page and long press on the app icon, and from the pop-up menu you can just tap on app info. And here, once inside the app settings, you can simply scroll down and tap on notification, and here you can make sure that the notification are allowed. And that's it. That's how you can enable or disable push notification in the Wise app. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.